So let's understand the flowchart process for addition of two numbers. So very first stage is start, and two numbers means two variables, so two inputs. So input data will be represented with parallelogram. So input A, then input B. Then we have to concentrate what is the logic. So logic, that is sum, is equal to A plus B. So next we are going to show the output, that is display sum. Next, and this is a simple program. Let's try to understand how you are going to write the program by analyzing the flowchart. So here A is equal to 8, B is equal to 5, then sum is equal to A plus B, and finally we are going to show the result. This is written in Python script. Any program you can follow, the logic will be same. So here input A, and here the input B. So in this case, what is the logic here? Sum is equal to A plus B, and finally we are going to display the output, that is print statement. Okay, let's try to understand another program, addition of three numbers. So here everything will be remain same, just one input will be added. So now observe the flowchart here. Input A and input B and input C. The C is the extra input we can place here. Observe, and rest of the things will be remain same. So output will be sum is equal to A plus B plus C, and output we are going to show as the display sum. Rest of the things will be same. This is the way we can represent. From Scodeen, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment and subscribe. Doing so helps our channel beat the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching, and pray for.